Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to pay with EBT on Boxed. As of early 2026, Boxed has undergone significant changes, including a bankruptcy filing and accusation, which impacted its operation based on current USDA guidelines for online EBT purchasing. Using SNAP benefits online requires these retailer to be part of authorized USDA pilot program. So USB or EBT cannot be used for delivery fees or tips, but you can go ahead and use it by simply going ahead and shopping casually, adding something to cart. So, for example, that let's just add a Cheerio, and then I'm gonna simply go ahead and click on add to checkout. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and select payment method, and this is where you want to go ahead and select EBT. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.